Downsizing, decluttering, and moving can be stressful, but it shouldn't be. If you have too much stuff and it is stressing you out, call the Hunks. My name is Leon Cassian, owner and president of College Hunks Hauling Junk and Moving, Edmonton and Metro. And we're here to make your item removal, cleanup, or moving experience not only easy, but enjoyable. College Hunks Hauling Junk and Moving provides start-to-finish solutions that will allow you to relax while we do all the heavy lifting. It all starts with a visit to collegehunks.com. We'll pack, move, load, and even clean out your storage unit. We specialize in full house cleanouts, estate cleanouts, shed and garage cleanouts, and even hot tub removal. Our clean-cut, well-trained hunks allow you the peace of mind that your home and property are being handled with care and concern, and that we are approaching 90% of all items collected not going to the landfill. When we clean out your unit or home, we give you the option to donate to Goodwill, as you can help Albertans with disabilities find meaningful employment. We are priority pickup for Goodwill, as they are an organization that is near and dear to our hearts. In addition, it will help keep items out of the landfill, as Goodwill and College Hunks recycle the donated goods through their sustainability initiatives. Until next time, let the Hunks help. We are the industry leaders when it comes to recycling, reusing, repurposing, and sustainability.